Tired of project chaos? Tame it with a free project management tracker in Google Sheets, complete with task dependencies. Open a new Google Sheet, create headers, task name, start date, end date, duration, dependencies, status, %complete, bold headers, and adjust column widths. Populate your sheet with tasks, start dates, and end dates in the dependencies column. List task name numbers that each task depends on, separated by commas. Calculate duration, automatically enter the formula equals if is blank B2. C to B to drag it down, format the duration column as a number. Create a status dropdown, go to data greater than data validation, choose list of items and enter status options like to do, in progress, completed, save it. Enter the percentage of completion as a decimal, format the column as a percentage by selecting format greater than number greater than %. Visualize progress with conditional formatting. Select the task name column, go to format greater than conditional formatting, set rules to change background color based on status.